Hello everyone, I'm Shambhavi from Progressive Science Education, and as I explained you whole chapter in last video, that is chapter number 16, light. Now in this video I will give you some important key terms, question and answer, and some important topics that you have to learn it. Okay, so firstly I wanted to know you that in last video I explained you some topics. So that topics are law of reflection, formation of image by a plane mirror, regular and diffuse reflection, reflected light can be reflected again, sunlight white or colored, what is inside our eyes, care of eyes, visually challenged person can read and write, and brainly system. इसके अंदर भी आपने कई सारे टॉपिक्स पढ़े थे. Now, key terms. Angle of incidence, the angle between normal and incident ray. Angle of reflection, the angle between normal and reflected rays. Blind spot, the junction of the optic nerves and retina where vision is not possible. Cones, color sensitive nerve cell. Cornea, transparent front part of the outer coat of eye. Diffuse reflection, reflection from an irregular surface. Hypermetropia, an eye defect in which one cannot see nearby objects. Lateral inversion, the right object appears on left and the left object appears on right. Vice versa, Myopia, an eye defect in which one cannot see distant object. Regular reflection, reflection from a smooth surface. Now we're gonna start up with question and answer, and you all have to learn all the key terms and all the definition that I was told you. Okay, now question and answers. Question number 1, what do you understand by reflection? Reflection क्या होती है? जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, when object and object become visible to us, और कब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे लिए विजिबल हो पाता है या हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को देख पाते हैं. आपको मैंने बताया था कि रिफ्लेक्शन क्या होता है, जब कोई लाइट रेज बाउंस बैक हो जाती है उसी को हम लोग रिफ्लेक्शन कहते हैं. सो आंसर, when a light rays falls on a surface it bounces back off. This phenomenon is called reflection. Things become visible to the human eye when light bounces off it. The light is the first step to make the illuminated object visible. However, that is not all that it takes. There are still more to it. First, light bounces off the object, then the object reflects one color of the light and it hits your eyes. Now, question number 2, what is virtual image and what kind of image does a plane mirror forms? Answer, an optical image formed from the apparent divergence of light rays from a point as opposed to an image formed from their actual divergence. A plane mirror always forms a virtual image behind the mirror. The image and the object are same distance from a flat mirror. The image size is same as the object size and the image is upright. So I hope you understand this answer. This answer is important, so you have to learn it. Okay, जितनी भी images मैंने आपको बताई थी और जितने भी reflections और कौन सी रे कौन सी इंसिडेंट रे जैसे मैंने आपको बताई थी, रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज बताई थी, पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस बताया था और कई सारी ऐसी चीज़ें बताई थी, तो यू हैव टू नो अबाउट इट विद डायग्राम. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज मीन्ड बाय लेटरल इन्वर्जन. अब आपने वर्चुअल इमेज के बारे में देख लिया. नाउ यू विल लर्न अबाउट लेटरल इन्वर्जन. So answer, a type of reversal that occurs with the image formed by a plane mirror. A person with a mole on his left cheek sees an image in a plane mirror of a person with a mole on his right cheek. Or you can say that the phenomenon where your left appears as a right or vice versa is called lateral inversion. Okay. Now I will tell you some very important topics. Okay. आपको इस टॉपिक्स को अच्छे से याद करना होगा जो मैं आपको टॉपिक्स अब बताने जा रही हूँ. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो टॉपिक्स टू बी कवर्ड, फंक्शन ऑफ ऑल आई पार्ट्स, इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डाइट फॉर हेल्दी आइज, characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror, multiple reflection, precaution for eyes, और आपके कुछ फिनोमिनन भी आपको अच्छे से, नेचुरल फिनोमिनन जो है डिस्पर्जन ऑफ लाइट के, और कई सारे टॉपिक्स इसके अंदर भी आते हैं जो आपको अच्छी तरीके से लर्न करना है. उसके बाद आप देखिए डायग्राम ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आई. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये मेनली एग्जाम्स में पूछा जाता है. तो यू हैव टू नो द डायग्राम ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आई. सो प्रैक्टिस इज केयरफुली. ओके, मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में आई का स्ट्रक्चर दिया था. आप उस स्ट्रक्चर को अच्छे से क्लियरली उसे लर्न कर लीजिए और प्रैक्टिस करिए. So the end. Thank you for watching my video, and if you all have any doubts regarding any topic, so please tell me in comment section. And if you all like my video, so please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Now I will meet you in next video. Okay, bye bye and take care.